Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to lock profile picture on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and your profile page will open up. Here, tap on three lines icon at the top right and your account settings will open up. Now scroll down until you see account privacy. Tap on it and toggle on the private account feature in order to lock your Instagram profile. Now go back and scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on Help section and then tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem without shaking and a pop will appear. Simply tap on Include and Continue and a support section will be displayed. Here, write exactly what I am writing. Once done, tap on Send at the top right. Lastly, go to your profile again, and then tap on Edit Profile tab. Now, tap on Edit Profile Picture or Avatar. Now, if your profile is not locked by Instagram team for 2 days, then you can remove your profile and add an avatar. And that's it. So that's basically how you can lock profile picture on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.